Hello, here is how to install paper for the SK30. First, take out your printer. Long press the power button for about 2 seconds to turn it on. Press the button to open the module. Take out your tattoo paper, remove the protective paper. And fold the traction paper to pass it through the print module. Adjust the angle and close the printer cover. Open the App Store on your phone and search for Printsy to download it. Launch the app and allow it to access Bluetooth and network. Tap Connect later, then go to My Language to set the language. Go to the home screen and click Bluetooth connection. Select the SK30 model for connection. Return to the main interface and click Free Edit. You can choose designs from the tattoo library, select any pattern you like, and drag it to adjust the position. Click Print to set speed and darkness. Then click Print again to start printing. Customers can insert images as needed for printing or use images from the tattoo library.